Okay, you guys, we're upstairs. We have a deadline to get the kids' rooms ready before Christmas. So we have about a month and a half. We're starting in Macy's room. What do you guys think? Can we do it?
Hello everyone and welcome back to our farm.
We are Jordan and Tysa Blaylock. For years we had been dreaming of having our own farm.
And then one day, we bought this old farmhouse today.
It's full of stuff.
We happened upon this gorgeous 1920 craftsman style farmhouse on 12.5 acres. And we bought it, as is, full of stuff and in need of lots of love. So we packed up our kids, we sold our house, and we moved out to one of the barns in a little vintage travel trailer.
While we restore, renovate, and add on to this beautiful old home.
Welcome to my bedroom!
What are you going to do in this bedroom?
Do everything.
What are your favorite things that you'll be doing in here, you think?
Doing princess lessons.
Princess lessons in your room? Yeah? Zoom.
The original walls have been covered up with this pink paneling. We're going to take it off and have a look and see what's underneath.
So if you guys remember, this used to be a mystery space. We opened it up and discovered that there used to be a chimney in there. And so now we're going to take it apart and make it a normal corner.
So the plan in here is to take this wallpaper off of the shiplap. We're going to take the ceiling down, expose the rafters, and vault the ceiling like we did in the bathroom, and then paint it all white. Alright, so I was thinking that taking the wallpaper off of the ceiling first would be easiest rather than taking the boards down first and scraping the boards later, but it's hard work. And so I need to take these boards down. In order to do that, I gotta take that piece of trim down to get this piece of shiplap down that holds these ceiling boards on. So there I go. I've got the ceiling down. You want to come see?
Yes.
I thought that these were going to be 2x6s like they are in the bathroom, but they're 2x4s. So we'll have to get some 2x6s to match the bathroom.
So if you guys remember, we had hastily finished little Jor's bedroom late last fall so that we can move inside the house and not be freezing in the trailer all winter. But in order to finish the kids' bedrooms by Christmas, Jordan and I need to move out of that room and find our own space. So we have this little closet upstairs that we're gonna make into our makeshift bedroom until the addition is done. Here's what it looks like. So to transform this little closet into our cozy new bedroom for the winter, we're gonna touch up the mud on the sheetrock, put in a new egress window, install trim, and paint it all white.
Now I'm going to take out this 2x4 and put in a header across here. Now cut a hole, or reframe and then cut a hole. Alright, I got this reframed, and now I'm going to cut this out, and we're going to have a bunch of daylight coming in here. Okay, Daddy's gonna cut more of it out, okay? Okay, we're ready to put the window in. I've installed the flashing, now I'm gonna go grab the window. Well, we've started on our goal to get the rooms ready for the kids by Christmas. What do you guys think of that little tiny closet room? If you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you get notified the next time we post our video. Thank you guys. You guys, I just found the weirdest thing I've ever seen. What in the world is this? It has this wire that goes up. Something looks like it plugged into it, but no one knows. Comment if you know what that's for.